series of kind of circuit boards from probably a computer or something done in this kind of kryptonite kind of shape. We've got this one with some fibre optics off the Elizabeth line at Canary Wharf, and over there you can see a giant duck. Let me show you closer. Over there, as you can see. So I just thought I'd share these really fun kind of art bits that are around in Canary Wharf. Have a look. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember, I have more art videos on my channel on Wednesdays, normally around 12 o'clock, but always on a Wednesday, on YouTube at Quirky Gentleman.